Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi R8 automatic. First, ensure your key is in the ignition slot. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the engine start/stop button. You'll hear the powerful engine roar to life, ready for your command. This simple sequence gets you ready to experience the R8's performance. Remember to always keep your foot on the brake during startup for safety. Once the engine is running, it's time to select your gear. For standard automatic driving, simply move the gear selector to D for drive. If you need to back up, select R for reverse. When you're ready to park, always engage P for park. The R8's automatic transmission makes gear selection incredibly smooth and intuitive, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. With D selected, gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving. The Audi R8's automatic transmission will seamlessly shift through gears as you increase speed. You'll feel the incredible power and responsiveness. Remember to accelerate smoothly and maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles. The R8 is designed for exhilarating performance, but safety is always paramount. When it's time to stop, gradually apply pressure to the brake pedal. For parking, bring the vehicle to a complete stop, then shift the gear selector into P for park. Finally, engage the electronic parking brake by pressing the designated button. This ensures your R8 is securely parked. Always double-check that the parking brake is engaged before exiting the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.